Next, differentiate between economic value added and market value added. What economic value added and market value added? Economic value added is a holistic method. It is evaluating companies' financial performance. And as per the economic value added, the company generates value only if there is a creation of wealth in terms of return in exceed of the cost of capital. Its formula is based. So there should be a return. That's true. That return should be based on excess on the cost of capital. What is the cost of capital? If a capital is being there, the capital should have a return. When the return should be safe return. When this capital producing surplus, that surplus includes dividend plus reserves. That should cross the what risk-free return. When that crosses, then the economic value added portion will be there. So NOPAT minus invested capital into WCC is equal to NOPAT minus capital charge. That is this is what economic value added. Market value added. It's a market value added means current market value of firm use minus invested capital. In the ways and gauge performance efficiencies in enterprises. This market value usually we don't need to come up with it for valuation we require, but if in case of a listed company, that is the value. Okay, the listed company values this much, and what is the capital what we incur, that is the net worth certificate. This net worth minus market value minus net worth will get this market value added. So how much it is being added economically, how much it is performing more than a return, that is a risk free. So these two have been considered to get the difference between economic value added and market value added.